Hello, everyone, and welcome to Power Up Enterprise Management and Productivity with Chrome Browser. I'm Helen Hussain, and I'm a customer engineer on the Chrome Browser Enterprise team. My main focus is making admins' lives as easy as possible when supporting Chrome at an enterprise scale. I've got 4 sections I want to cover with you today, starting with the role of the browser in the enterprise, streamlining your browser management so you can support your devices, enabling your users as they work on the web with productivity features in Chrome, and securing your devices through extension management and security features. Let's get started. First, we'll talk about the role of the browser. There is no doubt the role of the browser has evolved. What once just functioned as an entryway to the web now serves as a vital point in the enterprise tech stack. The browser enables end users to work productively and keeps organizations secure. Employees are also spending more and more time in the browser. A pre-COVID Forrester study found that 75% of the time that cloud workers spend on devices is in the browser or in virtual meetings. I can only imagine that this number will continue to increase as more organizations are enabling their workforces to work remotely and from the cloud. I know you've heard a lot about Chrome OS today and how it can enable your workforce to be cloud first. But we realize many of you may also already be using Chrome browser. If you're considering moving to Chrome OS or already use Chrome OS in your organization alongside other operating systems, you can take advantage of the benefits of Chrome for all your users, regardless of operating system. Some of those benefits are centralized browser management, enabling your end users, and securing the extensions used in your enterprise. Next, we'll go over the features that your organization should be using to ensure you're harnessing the full power of Chrome. In order to support an organization's endpoints, IT teams wear lots of hats and have many responsibilities, of which supporting your browser is one. We've created some tools to make your life easier, so you spend less time troubleshooting and more time focusing on your goals, your team's goals, and of course, the goals of the business. To help manage your Chrome deployments, we released Chrome Browser Cloud Management, which provides an easier way to manage deployments of any size centrally from the cloud across Windows, Mac, and Linux, from the same console where an enterprise can manage other Google services, including Chrome devices and Google Workspace. The good news is that it's easy to implement, and you'll also gain deeper insights into your deployment. Administrators can get information on specific devices, like what type of machine it is, the version of Chrome on the device, and the policies and extensions installed. Chrome Browser Cloud Management also enables you to troubleshoot efficiently by quickly getting more insights into a specific machine. We've also made improvements in performance. We've heard a lot of feedback from customers on the need to be able to tweak the amount of memory that Chrome uses. And so we've come up with a policy that allows administrators to set a cap on the amount of memory that Chrome is allowed to use before tabs are discarded. This is especially helpful for virtual machines that might have shared resources. We've also recently released window occlusion. To save on CPU and power consumption, Chrome will detect when a window is covered by other windows and suspend the work of painting pixels. IT teams can also manage this capability via policy. If your users rely on legacy sites to get their work done, whether in the office or working from home, Having legacy browser support in place will provide your users with a unified process to move from a modern browser to your legacy IE sites and then back again without having to remember which site needs which browser. Update controls give admins more granular control over the policies that are needed to update both Chrome browser and Chrome OS. We also did quite a lot of analysis on why enterprise users call IT support. Guess what? Most requests to IT are resolved by clearing cache and cookies. So now, in the admin console, an admin can simply find the profile that a user is complaining about and remotely clear their cache and cookies. Now, let's talk about some brand new Chrome features that admins and end users can take advantage of today, and some features coming soon to Chrome Browser Cloud Management. First, we have the ability to configure startup settings. With this, you can set the home page and which pages load when Chrome launches through Chrome Browser Cloud Management. Next, we've made quite a few tab enhancements. Users can collapse and expand tab groups, get tab previews, and even send tabs to a new window. We expect that these features will do a lot to increase users' productivity. This next feature is moving into Trusted Tester soon and will be more widely available later this year. The need to easily manage bookmarks for your users from within the admin console is something we've heard from our enterprise customers many times. Soon, you'll be able to create bookmarks within folders, move them around for the best user experience, all through Chrome Browser Cloud Management. In Chrome M85, we used a profiling plus compilation technique to make Chrome's code run faster on the most common tasks in the browser. If you're running Windows or Mac, you should see a significant improvement. We've also improved Chrome's PDF functionality. You'll soon be able to edit and save PDFs. When you close the PDF and then open it up again, it will pick up where you left off. Finally, let's talk about securing extensions. Extensions can bring a lot of challenges. It's hard to see what extensions are installed. Setting up a vetting process can be manual and time consuming, and creating a process to manage them can be daunting. There are many options for managing extensions, and you can pick the one that's right for you and your organization. There's the traditional method of creating allow lists and block lists, and the enhanced approach, block by runtime host and block by permissions. To help meet customer requirements around GDPR, we provided an API for taking your data out of the admin console. You'll be able to securely gather all your browser information, including policies and extensions, in case you want to do your own analysis or reporting. Finally, we have an exciting new feature coming to Trusted Tester this quarter, Extension Workflow. Customers have asked for an easier way for end users to request extensions, and admins want to be able to see an aggregated set of requests and then make a decision to approve or deny the extension. This new feature solves for both of those asks. Those were all the features we had for you today. And here are some additional resources. Feel free to take a screenshot of this slide for reference. We also have another event coming up on the 3rd of December. Chrome OS has recently released a ton of new capabilities, so be sure to sign up for Demo Day to see those capabilities in action. Thank you for joining.